Solid tips and tricks for dealing with acid reflux. Did you know that acid reflux could cause damage that is irreversible if left untreated? Do you know what acid reflux is and what causes it? If you suffer from acid reflux, it is time to read up on some tips to control it. You will find those tips in the video that follows. Keep a diet diary. Everyone is different, and which foods will trigger your acid reflux may not be the same as mine. Write down how you feel before, during and after each meal, and include a list of what you eat and drink all day. After a month, you should have a clearer picture of which foods cause you the most grief. When you eat high-fat foods like fried chicken, your stomach empties very slowly. This allows it to become distended and your esophagus may fill up with acid. Choose healthier foods like lean proteins or beans to avoid this situation, and you should be able to control your acid reflux like a pro. We truly are what we eat. If we eat high-fat foods, we will become obese and be at risk for acid reflux. It is important that we instead focus on low-acid foods, which are lean and healthy. Choose vegetables and whole grain carbohydrates along with lean protein for your meals to curb your suffering. Don't drink alcohol if you are trying to treat symptoms of acid reflux. The effects of alcohol actually work to relax the muscles in your esophagus, which worsens reflux. Consider what you are eating, how you are eating, and if you've got too much stress in your life as possible reasons for frequent acid reflux, and change them before reaching for your next drink. Limit the amount of drinks you have when you eat. Beverages can add volume to the food that you digest and increase how distended your stomach is. Having a full stomach puts some pressure on your or lower esophageal sphincter, which is responsible for keeping food from getting back into the esophagus. This increases your chances for having reflux. To lower chances, take small sips when eating and try drinking your beverages between meals instead of during meals. The weight of your baby when you are pregnant can actually contribute to your acid reflux. If this might be your case, consult a physician for appropriate remedies, in particular for later trimesters. Steer clear of excessive drinking if you are plagued by acid reflux. Alcohol greatly exacerbates excess production of stomach acid. Reduce your consumption of alcohol and try finding an alcohol that will not cause your stomach to produce acid. Believe it or not, one of the big causes of acid reflux has nothing to do with what is inside your body. The clothes that you wear can contribute to your acid reflux symptoms. Tight clothing that puts pressure on your midsection can worsen the pain and discomfort. Wear loose or stretchy clothing and you will be much more comfortable. Now that you have read through all of the great tips and advice to help you with acid reflux, you should be better equipped to get a handle on it. You must know the symptoms and the causes if you are going to fight it. Keep these tips in mind as you live your life, and you should notice less discomfort soon. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.